If you guys haven't subscribed, click the bell, like, share, and comment. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's AlexisChantale, and today we have another press on series, and this time we're doing animal print. If I sound a little bit stuffy, I'm pretty sure I'm under the weather or getting sick. But I'm taking this white gel polish, and you guys don't see this in my videos, but I cure it two times. Cure it two times in, as in I doubled the layer for max opacity. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. So that just means, in simpler words, that I go over it again with white gel polish. Yes. So I'm taking the black gel polish and I'm just doing like little squiggly outlines that represents, you know, a cow's print. You can go on social media. Sorry, that's my cat. You can go on social media. You can go on Google and get yourself a reference. This is how I achieved it, because I mean, once you get to learning and you get to knowing, you don't really have to. But I'm also a visual person, so I have to see. And you know, the more imperfection, the more realistic that I feel like it looks like a cow print. So I'm just, you know, outlining and I'm filling in with the dotting tool. I feel like that works best. You can do it however you please and whatever. So that's what I'm just doing, and just making sure to fill in but not over extreme, because then, you know, it's not gonna look like cow anymore. Okay. I'm gonna be back with you guys in a few. I'm gonna let you guys just chill and watch how I do.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. But we fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide. It keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall. Can we rise through it all till we find?
So I take my Beatles, what is this called again? I forgot what this brush is. I was gonna say a fine art brush, because I forget. Anyways, so I'm doing the zebra. The zebra and the tiger prints were really hard for me because it's like you don't want to make it too crowded or have them like completely next to each other, and they're basically just like squiggly lines, but I don't know why. Maybe I should have did it with the toothpick to see if I like that method better. So if this doesn't really work out for you, maybe you should try the toothpick to see if you have a more controlled squiggly line. Also, if you end up using the, fine bristle art tool brush, make sure you go to the side as well, like flip over so you can see what you're doing. Sometimes I do forget that. I wanted to try this method. This is by Model Ones. This is a transparent acrylic powder. So since I have gel polish, I only cure in a lamp for like maybe 30 seconds. And you just put it over. It's supposed to make it matte. I end up using a matte coat later, so I don't think this step is really necessary. The only reason I wanted to try this was because which I suggest you guys, if you want a glossy look but like a matte back, like not background, but if you want a glossy background and like matte nail work, I would suggest you to top coat the background, then do the print, then put that on. But this was my first time doing it, so I don't know what I was thinking in this process. I just knew I wanted the prints to be matte, but in my head I wanted the background to be glossy. So learn from my mistakes. I'm just taking this fanning brush to wipe away any of the excess, and I mean, I like how it looks, but yeah, I'm taking this other color and I'm doing the giraffe one. So 9 times out of 10, I'm just mixing colors. I mean, I have colors where I think I have those similar mixture that I mix, but sometimes I don't want to take out everything. I know, don't even listen to me, okay? But I'm just taking some white and mixing it to make this light, I want to say a light caramel color. This caramel color all over the nails. Now, I would hope you guys would know to add base coat before doing this. You will cure the base coat, of course. And I'm just taking this orange and I'm doing the same thing. I'm adding white because I'm doing the tiger one. But yes, you would just cure it because it needs something to stick to. If you don't know by now, gel is I don't want to say sticky, but gel needs like a sticky layer to be able to, it likes tackiness, it likes stickiness. So think of it like pancake and syrup. Like, you're not going to eat the pancake with no syrup. So that's how I like to think about gel, okay? Sorry, I had to catch myself from laughing. And basically, like I said, you're gonna get a reference and you're just gonna draw on your giraffe. I left this in real time so you guys can see the process. I sped up through majority of the just putting the color on the nail. Like, it's just you know, that's not interesting really. I'm gonna come back with you when we get to the other set.
Trying to bide our time, we know it's all done. Take about you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. We fight and we fall, and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. You got me lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again.
And I cut off majority of it because you guys can see I was out of frame, so I put in what was left of the clip. Yeah, so at this point I was just like, you know what, these tiger stripes are gonna look whatever, because like I said, they were really hard for me. I do suggest using a toothpick, like I said, to see if you have better control. Now for the cheater, I just used that leftover light caramel that we used, and I added more white to get this perfect color. I was gonna describe the color, but that's all I did, because I had a lot left over. So that's another way to use what you have, or you try to use up what you had. You don't want anything to go to waste, like So I take a little bit of black, and this is just to darken up that brownish color, and I end up putting a little bit more brown because obviously I used it all. But this helps make the look more distinctive in contrast and color. So I'll let you guys watch this clip.
And our hands are tight, can't fight it. Can we go through this again? We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. You got me lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose.
And I did the same thing that I showed you guys in the beginning of the zebra with the acrylic method, and I'm just taking the Candy Lover matte and I'm just going over this. And the reason why I'm putting evenly strokes is because I don't want to mess up the design, and also it just evens out everything. Because with the first set that I did this, but I don't think I cured, and the zebra, not the zebra, I don't think I cured the cow, so it kind of smudged. But make sure you cure this for at least 30 seconds before putting on the acrylic. But like I said, it's really not necessary, because if you're going for a matte look and you have matte top coat, then you don't really need to do that. It's just more so if you want a glossy background but have matte designs, I would suggest doing that method. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was pretty simple, pretty easy. I really wish I've done a better job on the zebra and the tigers, but skills comes with time and practice makes perfect. So don't be discouraged. I was very pleased with the overall look of it. The outcome could have been a lot worse in some of my cases, but these are how they look, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time.